At one time, foam rolling, or self-myofascial release, was something that you only heard about from athletes and therapists and trainers. Now you can see foam rolling on an everyday basis happening in many fitness facilities and even in people's homes. And here are some of the tools that people use to do foam rolling. Now, what is myofascial release, which is foam rolling? It's basically just a fancy term for self-massage. So when I introduce it to people that don't know much about it, I always say, really, it's the poor man's massage, because it doesn't take a lot of money to go out and purchase yourself something or make something at home with some tennis balls and an old sock and get some benefit out of foam rolling. So why should we foam roll? Well, foam rolling, and I've heard coaches debate about the benefits. Should I foam roll before a workout or should I foam roll after a workout, and what's best? Well, some people say if you do it before you work out, you might bring out the best performance in your muscles. Other coaches and trainers have said over time that they prefer to do it after a workout, which releases the muscles of tension and soreness. So you can make that decision for yourself. But let's take a look at some of these foam rollers, and there's all kinds available, and now with technology and information, and almost any store will carry a version of these. Many of them have bumps, which can help with trigger point therapy and muscle release of tension. And like I mentioned, you can take something as simple as a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball and use it as well. The bumps can be fabulous for the feet, to do in bare feet, or you can use something as simple as a smaller roller for calf muscles as you roll on the ground. Larger ones are great for behind the back and rolling out any tension you might have there. So if you've never tried a foam roller before, I suggest you give it a try, and try our website for more information on foam rolling at pspkingston.com.
This Health and Wellness Minute has been brought to you by the CFB Kingston Personal Support Programs, the health and wellness providers for the military community. For more information, visit pspkingston.com.